Good evening to my lecturer, Mr. Lam Kok Wei. My name is Laurencia, daughter of Devasagayam, and I'm from class DPR 4B. The course and the code for this course is DUE 5012 Communicative English 3 section December 2019. The topic of our survey is online business among PISA student. My group members. First is Alif Shah, Devarani, I, Laurencia, and Blogger Gita. These are the introduction for the online business. The first will talk about any activities which is undertaking with the objective of earning profit. It's called online business. The second is we will talk about transaction of online business is conducted over the internet. There are some of the examples of online business, such as beauty products, smartphone accessories, food, and other products that sell to the customer. And the fourth will be talk about the purpose of doing online business. These are the 6 objectives of online business. First, we'll talk about the promoting a service or product online business. The second is to selling product and services. The third is providing corporate information. The fourth is to establish brand awareness and corporate identity. The fifth is study about student patient to do online business. And the last we will talk about what students think about online business. Now coming to the methodology. The respondent been classified into 5 parts, which is gender, age, department, ethnicity, and semester. In my part, I will start with the gender. The gender is be classified into 2, that is male and female. In the male, there are 43% of respondents that respond to our survey, where the 57% the female. Therefore, our research has been the highest respondent of female. The second is the age. There is 4 range, 19, 20, 21 and 22. The highest is the 20 years old, which is more than 25 respondent. The lowest is the 19 years old, which is low than 5 respondents. The third is the department. There is 4 departments, which is JP, JKA, JKM and JKE. The highest is from the department JP and JKM, which is more than 14 respondents. These both department has the same range of respondent. The lowest is the JKA department, that is about 4 respondent. Lastly, the ethnicity available is Malay, Chinese, Indian and others. The highest respondent, which is about more than 20 from the Malay ethnicity, and the lowest respondent, which is the less than 5, is from the others ethnicity. Thank you, Mr. Lam. This is my presentation and I will let my other friends to